Hey everybody, in this video we're going to figure out the new cost of an item after an item has been discounted 20%. Alright, so first of all, come over here and grab your pen or your marker. Alright, so in this case we have an item that costs $50 and it's being discounted 20%, right? So what you're going to do is you're going to follow these steps. So step number one is determine the amount of discount. Well, there's different ways of doing this, but what we're going to do is I'm going to multiply the 50 times the discount in decimal form. And the decimal form of 20% is 0.2. So if I take out my calculator here, and if I do 0.2 times 50, I get 10. All right. So $10 is, first of all, the amount of the discount. All right. So now what we have to do to get the next step is we have to subtract the amount of discount from the original price. Okay. So I'm going to put $10 here because that's the amount of the discount. And our original price was $50. And when I do $50, take away $10, we get a new cost of $40. And there you go.